Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by assembling ingredients. 500 g potatoes, 1/2 cup corn flour, 1 tsp salt, 1/2 tsp black pepper, 3 tablespoon vegetable oil, and basic aromatics. Peel and cut potatoes into roughly 2 cm cubes, then soak them in cold water for 10 minutes to remove excess starch. This helps them crisp. Drain and pat dry thoroughly with paper towels. Place the cubes in a bowl and toss with 1/2 cup corn flour, 1 tsp salt, and 1/2 tsp black. Heat a wide frying pan with 3 tablespoon vegetable oil over medium-high heat. Add coated potato cubes in a single layer and fry without crowding, about 6 to 8 minutes per batch until golden and crisp. For a lighter method, spread the coated cubes on a tray and roast at 200 degrees C for 25 minutes, flipping halfway for even browning. Once cooked, transfer potatoes to paper towels to drain excess oil and season immediately with 1/2 tsp salt, so the seasoning sticks while still hot. In a separate pan, heat 1 tablespoon oil and sauté 1 medium onion sliced and 2 cloves garlic minced for about 3 minutes until fragrant and soft. Add 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 2 tablespoon tomato ketchup, 1 tsp chili sauce, 1 tsp sugar, and 2 tablespoon water. Stir and simmer for 2 minutes to make a glossy sauce. Toss the hot potatoes into the pan, mix gently to coat evenly. Then finish with 2 tablespoon chopped cilantro and a squeeze of lemon. Serve immediately while crisp for best texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.